How to pay trip.com using Gcash. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to pay for your trip.com booking using Gcash. Step 1 is to choose your trip. First, open the trip.com app or website and find your booking for flights, hotels, or car rentals. Step 2 is to proceed to payment. Let me just reserve this one, and then I'm going to enter my details. And then right here, you can see all the payment options. Here is the payment page where you can choose your payment method. And on the payment options screen, you can see this Gcash right here. So all you have to do is to choose Gcash, and you might be prompted to log into your Gcash account if you haven't already once you hit pay now. And then once you select Gcash, you'll be redirected to the Gcash payment screen. All you have to do is to enter your Gcash PIN and confirm the payment. But of course, I'm not going to show it to you because it's a confidential detail, but you can try it on your own phone. And yeah, once a transaction is successful, you'll receive a confirmation email from the trip.com. Your booking will be confirmed and you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully paid with Gcash on trip.com. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!